Welcome to the chapter Multiplication of Numbers 2. This slide presents the overview of the chapter. Learning objectives. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to discuss multiplication in different ways, explain multiplication in tens and ones form, identify the multiples of a given number. Introduction. In the previous lesson, we learned basic multiplication. Here, we are going to look at the multiplication in tens and ones. We will know the multiplication of numbers in detail in this chapter. Let us see the multiplication in tens and ones. Here we have 12 chocolates in each packet. How many chocolates will be there in 3 such packets? So, first we add 12 chocolates 3 times. 12 plus 12 plus 12 equal to 36. Therefore, 12 into 3 equal to 36. It is the method 1. Now, we will go for method 2. Take tens and ones separately. So, we get 3 tens and 6 ones, which is equal to 30 plus 6 equal to 36. Or, take 10 and 2 and multiply with 3. We get 30 plus 6. By adding them, we get 36. So, finally we conclude that method 1 and method 2 are getting the same answers. Let us see some example problem. Multiplication in tens and ones. Calculate the given problems. A. 15 into 3. Here we are given 15 into 3, where in 15, 5 is in the ones place and 1 is in the tens place. Method 1. If ones are multiplied, 5 into 3 is equal to 15 ones. 15 ones are equal to 110 plus 5 ones. If tens are multiplied, 3 into 1 is equal to 3 tens. 3 tens plus 110 are equal to 4 tens. Therefore, we have 40 plus 5 equal to 45. Method 2. In method 2, 15 is split into 10 plus 5. Now, multiplying 10 plus 5 with 3. We get 3 into 10 plus 3 into 5, which gives 30 plus 15. Again, now 15 is split into 10 plus 5. Then we are adding 30 plus 10, which is equal to 40. Therefore, we have 40 plus 5 equal to 45. B. 22 into 4. Here we are given 22 into 4, where in 22, 2 is in ones place and 2 is in tens place. Method 1. If ones are multiplied, 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 8 is in ones place. If tens are multiplied, 2 into 4 is equal to 8 tens. 8 is in tens place. Hence, if we add 8 tens and 8 ones, we will get the answer as 88. Method 2. In the method, 22 is split into 20 plus 2. Now, multiplying 20 plus 2 with 4. we get 4 into 20 plus 4 into 2, which gives 80 plus 8. Therefore, the answer is 88. So finally, the answer of method 1 and method 2 answer are equal. That is 88. C. 45 into 5. Here we given 45 into 5. Where in 45, 5 is in 1's place and 4 is in 10's place. Method 1. If 1's are multiplied, 5 into 5 is equal to 25 1's. 25 1's are equal to 2 10's plus 5 1's. If 10's are multiplied, 5 into 4 is equal to 20 10's. 20 10's plus 2 10's is equal to 22 10's. Therefore, the answer is 225. Method 2. In method 2, 45 is split into 40 plus 5. Now, multiplying 40 plus 5 with 5, we get 5 into 40 plus 5 into 5, which gives 200 plus 25. Again, now 25 is split into 20 plus 5. Then we are adding 200 plus 20, which is equal to 220. Similarly, 220 plus 5 is equal to 225. So, finally the answer of method 1 and method 2 answer are equal. That is 225. Let us see exercises on multiplication in tens and ones. Let us do an activity on multiplication in tens and ones. Drag and drop the appropriate answer in the given boxes by observing the first example. Here we have 10 plus 3 is a multiple of 3. Then 3 into 3 is 9 and 3 into 10 is 30. So finally the answer is 39 by adding 30 plus 9. Take up one more activity on multiplication in tens and ones. Write the appropriate answer in the given boxes. Here we take another activity of multiplication. Drag and drop the appropriate answers in the given boxes. Let us do an activity on multiples of numbers. Identify the numbers of the respective multiples by clicking the appropriate buttons. Let us see some exercise problems. Here, we are going to do an activity on missing numbers. Fill the remaining two numbers in each row by using the same logic in the given example. Let us multiply the numbers in circle by following the arrow marks. Here we have 3 rows followed by arrow marks. These arrow marks will help to put the answer in the desired circle. If we observe the first row, we can see the numbers 2, 1 and 2. First, we have to multiply 2 and 1 and the answer 2 is to be written in the above circle followed by the arrow mark. In the same manner, 1 and 2 are multiplied and the answer 2 is to be written in the above circle followed by arrow mark. Likewise, we have to multiply the numbers in the second row. Here we get the final result as 4. This is the one of the alternate methods to multiply the numbers in the form of circle followed by arrow marks. Here we take another activity on multiply the numbers in circle. Multiply the numbers in the circle and write them in the highlighted circle followed by the arrow marks. practice zone. Try to solve the problems in the practice zone on your own. Click Solution tab to verify your answers. Summary. Let us recap the highlights of this chapter. We have seen how to calculate the numbers in the form of tens and ones. We have gone through the multiples of given number. We have looked into the finding of missing numbers and also multiplying the numbers in the circle followed by the arrow marks. Follow-up work. Calculate 19 into 6. Calculate 24 into 3. Calculate 18 into 7. Test your understanding of the chapter by taking the mock unit test. You have successfully completed the chapter Multiplication of Numbers 2.